Well, games at this level don't come too much bigger than this one.
Hello, everybody.
90 minutes to decide whether they can take the big step up. The manager has challenged his players to deliver a statement, a warning shot to prospective opponents for next season. This is it. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game. It looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. Got on the way here pretty promptly. Tigres cannot consider the option of defeat. It's not a question of want, but must. And the keeper's got it again. Jim, you've played in games of this nature. Who can make the difference?
Yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo. I don't think there's any doubt he's one of the best around, Peter. Probably one of the best ever. He's an incredible physical specimen and a phenomenal goal scorer. You can't question his commitment and determination either. He's always in peak.
He's going for goal! Split-second reaction.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that.
Rice And that interception was most necessary.
He read that really well and stopped it.
And he was quick to react. Skillfully cut out. He is so at ease on the ball. Pedri. No change to the score. 0-0 it remains. Belts one. Denied by an instinctive save.
It's quite a show he's putting on here. This is excellent work.
Barcelona with the corner. They're first. It's a decent clearance, and that has left him in a heap. Tigres have the chance to go the other way. Looking for options for movement. There's green grass ahead of him. Not offside that time. Mosquera. Kimmich. Costa Curta. Proves too strong.
Seeing some really good pressure being applied here, Peter, particularly from those guys up front.
Yeah, and it just, I suppose, denies the others time and space.
Well, I would call it blanket suffocation. Every single player is...
He's got a side of goal!
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Pedri going face to face with his great rival. That is lovely. Rice. Take back.
That's good pressure. It gave him no other choice.
Deftly away. And Messi! Now, who's going to be first to this? Oh, good read.
That's great positioning. So good from him.
For a moment you thought that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. That's it for the first half. A breathless ending. But it has been a half largely of could-haves and should-haves. Perhaps the more impatient amongst the supporters will feel their overdue a goal. They're certainly not going to want to try, so nothing to show as yet. At the break, it's 0-0. And we are up to the break.
Tigres ended that first half in such a strong fashion. I think we'll just have to wait and see now if they can rekindle that drive and that determination. It's been great commitment, and that has to be maintained in the second half.
An intriguing half, lacking only in goals. The score 0-0. So we're just settling back into this second half.
Well, I suppose from a defensive perspective, Peter, neither manager can be too unhappy. I just wonder which team is going to up the ante first.
Pedri, he has found a way through. Quality ball. Messi has alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless.
Beautifully policed that midfield. The opposition have been handcuffed.
That's been intercepted.
That was well played, well stopped.
Rudiger promptly onto that, and that is that. And he's picked out the run. Great chance! The goal for which they thirsted, the goal for which they craved. Now, full steam ahead to the ultimate prize.
Tigres clearly executed that with considerable confidence. It only took seconds to score once the ball was recovered.
Tigres penetrate first. It is a truly precious lead.
They still can't get carried away. They haven't been promoted just yet.
And it's Messi. Good ball over the top. Real chance! That's a half-decent and try.
Substitution on the
Make a
field.
change for the first time in the game here.
Yeah, I think he's trying to stay one step ahead of his opponents here, maintain the upper hand, so to speak.
Coming on the
I can
field.
see that.
Number 11.
Now it's Watkins.
Number 20.
Watkins unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Now it's Messi. Del Piero. Alvarez. Oh, just skips. He's got the shot away. It's loose. Oh, what has happened here?
But this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
This is a really front-footed approach.
They just need to sort out their end product, and quickly.
Alvarez.
If they want to counter, they could do with more speed.
Barcelona needed that. They really needed it.
Yeah, they showed a vulnerability until the move was stifled. That'll have stirred a little concern.
Now it's Pedri. He's shifting through the gears here. So much time and space here. Chance!
Substitution on the field. Number 5.
Corner number 2 then.
Coming on the field is
And it's been
number
taken
23.
short. And they've got rid. Mosquera. Tigres moments now away from seeing this one out. Oh, well played, well sorted out. Tigres clearly now in lead preservation mode.
There will be 3 minutes added time.
Intervened well there. Van Dijk gets it away. Well seen, saw that coming.
That's great positioning. So good from him.
Nicked it back promptly. And we're done. Tigres are going up. And now they can dream. How do you sum up what we've witnessed, Jim?
Tigres really were brilliant today, Peter. To produce a performance like this in a game that could have a massive outcome on the team's future. Those players have every reason to be proud of themselves and deserve every bit their status.
Many thanks to Jim, and with that, it is a very good night to you.
And a quick announcement for the benefit of anybody who has found themselves a little lost today. Please look at the screen for information on how to find your way around this stadium.
Tigres getting ready to celebrate here. Their promotion
Hello,
already
everybody,
sealed,
and welcome
free from
to
the
today's match.
relentless tension, the pressure that was plaguing them. It's a happy time to be one of these guys as the countdown continues to more prosperous times ahead. And the mood is boisterous. It is a perfect ambience for the central characters who are ready now to perform. Things have got underway here pretty promptly. Well, that's well spotted. Oh, it's Inzaghi. No way through. Well, of course, Brazil have produced their fair share of outstanding all-round players, and so Roberto is a man of many, many talents.
He is indeed, Peter, amongst the very best utility players to come out of Brazil for me. And in my view, a perfect fit for teams that like to play a fluid system based on whether or not they have possession.
So expand on that.
Well, it means he can play like a fullback in a back four, move up into midfield in a back three, or take up a central midfield position. That's where I think he's absolutely best, although he is capable of going further forward still.
Bout of passing here, really easy on the eye. Quarter of an hour played. Look at this big chance! It's run loose. Who's going to get there? Guerrero gets good distance on it. Now it's Messi.
That was good alertness.
Brema. Oh, he's found support out wide. Either side yet able to find the net. Zubimendi. João Cancelo gets into some space. He gets big! Goal! Lille! And it's Lille who take the lead. Terrific header. He met that with aplomb.
Well, when you get service like that into the box, you can't go wrong.
So the first moment of real significance.
Yeah, it's rare that one is enough though, Peter. I get the feeling they'll be wanting another as soon as possible.
Brema. Fiddles it through. Well played. That has snuffed out the danger. Kamada. Good played for Daron. Steered out wide, but he won't reach that one. Messi. Rafinha!
That, Peter, is wonderful reading of the game. Perfect positioning. Well played.
Brema. Zubimendi. Kamada. Vince.
Added time.
And we've reached half-time. Well, it's a half which has simmered along nicely, warming up to what may be a more open second half to follow.
Well, obviously things are not good, Peter. It seems the team were just a bit too busy playing within themselves, too tentative. They have to improve and make it fast.
The game has already resumed here.
Well, I think in these circumstances, it's all about how to adjust the balance of your team. I mean, you want to get back in it as soon as possible, but without leaving yourself too open.
Well, there's the clearance. Tar kept aware, and it is reclaimed easily. Well seen, saw that coming.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Now it's Rafinha. Tigres still this single goal behind. And he's just misjudged that one. Vince finds himself offside.
it's pretty clear they've changed their shape, certainly when defending at least, because they've got to be ready to pick apart the counter-attack, and that seems to be the plan.
The attendance for this match was 71,550.
Coach Rafinha. And that's another good win of the ball.
Tigres showing a little more urgency now, and to be honest, Peter, this is what's required.
This is a really front-footed approach. I think they just have to keep forcing the issue and they'll get clinical.
Substitution in progress.
With their first corner, the first in the game for either side, actually. Tigres have the chance to go the other way.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very annoyed.
Pressing's intense, and it's paid off. So Roberto in acres of space out wide. Terrific winner! He will be livid with himself.
Substitutions taking place.
Lille making consecutive changes here.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Dani Olmo. Torres. He saw that early. Used a certain sixth sense. Now he's off and running. His interception, his positioning was spot on. Ben Seguir, nicely spread. João Cancelo. And that has been cleared.
Yeah, it's safe to say that they just need to manage this to secure the win now. Deserves a little bit of sympathy here because that's a goal back as well. It's clear that the keeper was on side by his defence. By the time he picked up the flight of that, it was too late.
We have got changes here on both sides of that. All square again into the dying minutes.
Dreaded words. There's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
Tigres complete their comeback, and now they only need to hold out for a few minutes.
Well, the last moments now, Peter, are going to be very frantic. There's still time for a twist or two yet.
That's that, the end. Tigres have won it by sheer force of character. As winning teams do, they managed to find that little extra when they needed it. Fernando Torres, voted man of the match,
Hello,
and
everybody,
deservedly
and
so.
please join me in wishing a happy wedding
So a
anniversary for
dramatic
one of our
game
fan club
decided
members.
in its very last moments. Well, I just think that determination and persistence has paid off handsomely to squeeze the win out of a draw. Sometimes it comes down to grit and desire and the stubbornness to keep plugging away. And this has been great staying power. And thanks to Jim alongside me, and as the fans make their way home, so must we. Good evening to you.
Bye.